Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I am going to show you that in our Shopify store, how we can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for craft theme. If you have any other theme, then I already added the codes for other themes in our website, www.shopwebsitecodes.com. You can explore other features on this store also. You will get the shop link in the description below. So here is the current situation of our store. You can see that on our collection page, we have different products here. On our home page, I have already this banner, and then we have featured products. So all have individual product, but each of the product has their own variants, and we are interested to display those variants. Firstly, you should go to your dashboard of the store. Here you can see that I have already installed craft theme. Firstly, you should take the backup of this theme. Click on these three dots, click on duplicate, click on again three dots, and click on edit code. And here you will get some files and folders, and we are interested to follow the documentation, and accordingly it will work. Once you are downloading the zip file, then you have to unzip, and these files you will get. Open the document.txt, and here we have few steps which we need to follow. The first step is that create new snippet. The name of that snippet is color-variant. So let's create that snippet first. Click on these snippets, click on add a new snippet, and here you need to mention color-variant and click on done. Now we are interested to add the code here, and here you can see that we have color-variant. Open this and copy this complete code from here and paste it inside of this and paste it here, and then you need to save these changes. Once you are saving all these changes, then close this file. The next step is create a new snippet. The name of that snippet will be color-card-product. All right, so again we need to click on add a new snippet right here, color-card-product, click on done, and then again you should open that file color-card-product.txt, select this complete code and paste it right here and click on save the changes. Once you are saving all these changes, then again close this file, and let's go to the documentation again. Here we have this documentation. The third step is go to sections, open featured-collection.liquid. So here we have sections, we have featured-collection.liquid, and inside of it what we have to do is we have to replace this li tag with this line of code. So how we will find this li tag? You should copy this color-product and Control F or maybe Command F, and then you will find this specific li. You should remove this and paste this line of code over there. So I'm going to copy this, and let me remove this first of all and then paste it here. The new line of code which I have just copied, I have pasted here. Fifth step, which is go to sections, open man-collection-product-grid.liquid. So where is that? We have sections, scroll it down, we have man-collection-product-grid.liquid, and again from the documentation we have to remove this. According to this, we have to remove this li tag and replace with this line of code. So how we will find this li tag? We need to again copy, and here we have to find color-card-product, and now we are interested to remove this li tag and replace it with this line of code. All right, so let's delete this and let's paste it here, and now we need to save these changes. Here you can see that we have featured products. If you are refreshing this page, you will see that all the variants will be displaying here. So now you can see that all the variants are displaying. If you will go to the catalog, which is the main collection page, here we can also see that all the other product variants are showing here. If you have any problem, then definitely you can contact me. I will be adding the contact details below in the description. So you can ask me any question, or maybe you have any doubt. If you have any other theme, or maybe you have any other feature to develop, then you can hire me. I am open to work with you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking this video was useful, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.